Welcome back. In this video, I will be showing how to modify Dropbox assignments and quizzes with differentiated release conditions in Canvas. The first thing you will do is click the Assignments tab. Then click New Assignment. Give your assignment a name. Give your assignment instructions or a description if you'd like. Put your point amount in the points box. Here, you can add different settings to your assignment. Scroll down to Assign to and click the X on Everyone. This takes everyone off the assigned assignment. Click the drop-down. Here is where you would select the students or student you want to assign special access to. Select your due dates and your available from and until dates. Click Save and Publish at the bottom. You have now successfully modified a Dropbox assignment with differentiated release conditions. This next part of the video will be how to modify a quiz with differentiated release conditions in Canvas. The first thing you will do is click the Quizzes tab. Then click Add Quiz button to the right. Give the quiz a title. Type your quiz instructions or description in the box below. Here, you can add quiz settings. You can add a quiz time if you'd like. Scroll down to Assign to and click the X next to Everyone. Click the drop-down arrow. Here, you can select students you want to assign special access to by selecting their name. Select your due dates. Click Save and Publish when you're done. You have now successfully modified a quiz with differentiated release conditions. Thank you for watching.